When I crack my knuckles, I'm actually pulling the joint apart just a bit. This creates a drop in pressure in the synovial fluid, which is the lubricant in my joints. That pressure drop leads to dissolved gases like nitrogen and oxygen forming bubbles, a process called cavitation. When those bubbles suddenly collapse or move, I get that satisfying pop sound. Interestingly, those bubbles don't vanish immediately. They linger in the joint fluid for a while, which is why I can't crack the same knuckle again right away. And despite what people say, cracking my knuckles hasn't been proven to cause arthritis. However, if I do it habitually, I might notice a slight reduction in grip strength or some minor swelling over time. So, while it feels good, I've got to be mindful of how often I do it.